We are over here at 741 Alexander. This is for Unit B, and this is a nice little area just south of Palmer Park and located in between Union and North Academy. All the details for this unit will be listed below, but this is a nice little 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Go up here and show you. Got a nice little closet in here. Nice full closet in here. A little grass area out back. This is the 2nd bedroom. New blinds. See out into the parking. Nice big walk-in closet. Extra space. This will be all professionally cleaned and carpet cleaned, so still has a couple of little things that need to be done. A little storage area for you. A little bit of extra. Here, just a mechanical room, but some extra space for storage. Comes with washer and dryer. Have a nice little patio out back. It's fenced in. This is that area you could see from up above. Then this is the nice kitchen. Comes with the fridge. And that's it. Pets are accepted. Check the requirements below, and you can get your application filled out in the link below as well. Just see the requirements for renting this unit. 741 Alexander B.